In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lip kisses in Luminar Neo. If you're looking to add a touch of fun and creativity to your photos, using a lip kiss overlay is a simple yet effective way to do it. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to launch Luminar Neo from your desktop. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so beforehand. Getting comfortable with the program is essential, and having it ready to go means you're starting on the right foot. Once Luminar Neo is up and running, head over to the Catalog tab. Here, you'll find all your images neatly organized. You can select your image either by clicking directly on the one you want from the list visible in the catalog, or by using the Add Photos option to pick an image from your computer's folders. Now that you've chosen your photo, move on to the Edit section. This is where all the magic happens, and you can enhance your images with the various tools Luminar Neo has to offer. Next, open a browser and search for a lip kisses image. For best results, look for one in PNG format, as these typically have a transparent background and integrate seamlessly into your picture. Download the chosen image to a location where you can easily find it. Back in Luminar Neo, locate the Layers panel. This is typically found in the top left corner and is a crucial feature when adding overlays to images. Click Load Image and locate the lip kiss overlay file you just saved. This will add the overlay to your workspace. Once it's added, click on its layer to make sure it's selected. Selection is important because it tells the program you're working with that specific layer. With the overlay highlighted, you'll notice small white handles appear around the image. Use these to resize and rotate the overlay so that it fits perfectly on your photo. You can then drag the kiss mark to wherever you want it to be. Maybe across a cheek or hovering over the lips, the choice is yours. To control how bold or subtle you want the overlay to be, use the opacity slider found in the Layer properties. This allows you to adjust the transparency, making the lip kiss more or less visible. Then, try experimenting with different blending modes like Multiply, Soft Light, or Overlay to see what looks best on your image. Each mode gives a different feel, so don't be afraid to try a few until you get it just right. Finally, if necessary, return to the opacity slider to further adjust the intensity of the kiss mark, helping it blend naturally with your photo. And there you have it. You've successfully added a creative and playful touch to your image. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.